Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is about um, how is your wedding day. What will happen to you if this is very sweet and happy day, or a little bit stressful day. And there are three piles, and which piles you are attracted most, choose that one. I am going towards the pile number 1. For those who choose the pile number 1 with this blue color earring, your first card is nine of swords. Yes, definitely nine of swords, nine of air, nine of swords. And I think you are expecting the worst, because some situation or money problem, you are expecting the worst. Self-fulfilling prophecies, sleepless nights, something like that. And this is what you are thinking, that this situation at your first day of your at your wedding day, something is not going to happen, something is bad going to happen. And that's why you are not relaxing at that moment. You are stressful. You are waking up at the night while others are sleeping. And but there is some, I think, some hope, some light for you there. Okay, with this the word card upside down, you have to do something over here. The thing that you are stressing about, the thing is that you are thinking that is burden for you, you have to finish that thing. You have to do something over here for that, so you can get your happy, you have the happy wedding day. And then with the other card is Queen of Fire. See, but I tell you that this situation is only in your mind. This is not really going to be that stressful, that burden, like, okay. And stretch your wings and fly. You can move forward. Don't worry, this will solve by itself. Don't underestimate yourself. Don't underestimate yourself. You are able to solve this problem by yourself. Okay, be confident, be warm, be intelligent, be graceful. Okay, assert your independence and creativity. Yes, use these things about this situation. You are very loving, caring person. You can change their mind if something is bad happening over there, or something bad is there. You can change it. And you have a lot of power and guidance from universe. You are a queen like person. Maybe you are Aries, okay, but you also can be Sagittarius and Leo. These are fire signs. And I think that you are going to have your throne over there. You are going to rule all the empire over there. There is no tension, no stress for that situation. At your wedding day, you are you are looking very good, very beautiful, very graceful. And you are enjoying it. You're not afraid of anything, or not have any stress. But because this is your new life is going to begin, and that's why you are a little bit relaxless. Temperance, and this is upside down. And you are still you are scared of, afraid of something, or you think that what can I do when I go when I go there, when my new life is going to begin. how can I talk to them, how can I tell them that I need that, need this. You're little bit confused, I think. Yes, you somebody is coming towards you with lots of love, with lots of desires, and he is very fast person, he is coming towards you very soon. Maybe this is your life partner, your husband or wife. This person is very intelligent, uh, decisive and idealistic, tireless. Events that occur with great speed. Take time to carefully review your options. Creative solutions. Yes, that person is your life partner is also looking like the prince, or he is looking charming at that day, and um, he is going to light your life. Okay, he is very protective about you. Yes, and with this okay, with this king of swords upside down. Okay, I think I am seeing that that person of yours, they are conquered by you, and they bow their head against you, and they are agreed with your uh, what can I say, they think that you are empress like girl or emperor like person, and you are very graceful, you are very intelligent, and brave, confident, and that's why they are happy with you, and they are telling you that they love you, they conquer, I said, that you have conquered them, and they are in love with you, they are not going to leave you, something like that. And with six of water, definitely memories from your history or childhood. Maybe this person is from your childhood, from your past. This is past relationship. Issues regarding children. Maybe there is some issues because of the children, but I don't think so that this is necessary. Romanticizing the past. Yes, you are romanticizing the past, and you are enjoying this moment, and maybe your cousins are coming to your what can I say, to your wedding day. Your cousin, your uncle, aunties, your relatives, and you are enjoying that day with them, all of them. Okay, Seven of Pentacles. You have done a lot to have profit with this situation, or to marry that person, or you're an intelligent person, and you can handle your in-laws home situations, and all the work, how they do, how to cook, how to like that, and at that moment you are enjoying, you are only enjoying all what is happening. Okay, soulmate. This person is not your soulmate. I want to clarify that. Okay, I clarify the soulmate card, which is upside down, and it is clarified by this Queen of Swords, and this is also the upside down. I think this person is not trustful, and you can't trust over that person, your life partner. And they maybe they have lot of girlfriends and boyfriends, and maybe they are telling you some lie or something like that. You can't trust that person. Okay, they don't want to leave you, but they are that's why maybe they have some secrets in their life, and they are not telling you that, and that's why you have to be careful, because that person have some secrets, and you are going to know that. Okay, angel of time, working too hard. Okay, that person is not a hard worker, or they are not working hard to confess to you or to say sorry to you. I think this person is like that. But this situation has the dog. They still want you, they still need you, and they want to have you in their life. That's why they are doing something. They are hiding something from you. Maybe they had done something bad in their past, and now that thing is hurting them. That if you know that what they had done, then you will leave them. But they are not the bad person. They are they in love with you. They want to protect you. They can die for you. Okay, this is the situation for pile number 1. If you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, you can go and watch my previous videos. And if you want to see my new videos, you have to subscribe and press the bell icon, so you can get all of my new videos at the time. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes, bye. I'm going towards the reading number 2. For those who choose the pile number 2 with this crystal Mata of India, your first card is Ace of Earth. Something new with money or a stable relationship. You are coming into a stable relationship, and the inflow of abundance. Yes, you are going to have lot of money, lot of happiness, lot of love. Okay, promising business venture. Yes, maybe you had make some promise towards that person, and you are going to fulfill that. Important documents or contracts. Yes, you are going to sign the contract with them. Yes, the contract of life, of relationship, and you are going to have a home, and this is stable relationship, happiness, garden, happiness, home, abundance, all kind of. Okay, and there's something hiding over here, and you are not going to know what is it. I want to clarify that card. I think that they have a lot of love hiding in their cells, in their mind. Maybe this is your person. They are attracted towards you. They are physically attracted towards you, or they love you, and they have their all family with them. And when they love you, their family also are in love with them, in love with you. Okay, they all love you, they are like you, they are all waiting for you and enjoying that moment. You are also enjoying that moment. They are happy to have you in their life. And with this 2 of fire, in other decks, you have with this card you have to make some decision very fast, very soon. And in this you have come into your own. Now you are the intelligent person, the wise person. You have come to your own new. Yes, you are going to do something in your in-laws home. You have come into your own. It means that you are going to do everything with your hand, and you are going to show them that what can you do, how can you love with them, how you make the love with them. Okay, new partnerships or contracts. Definitely new partnerships and contracts. Continue to move forward. Yes, continue to move forward. Give them your love, give them your care, your love. Show them how you love them and care about them, care for them. And yes, whatever with that situation. Okay, you are going to end something over here to start that situation. Definitely, if you are a girl or a woman, you are definitely leaving your parents home and your relatives, and you are moving towards them. And this also tells me that maybe this marriage is a love marriage. And I think that your parents are not with you, and they are not happy with this marriage, and they are leaving you now. This situation is for only one or two of them. Otherwise you are going to start something new with that person. So you are ending the first part of your life, and now you are going to start another part. Okay. And with this justice card, this is Libra's card, and fair and just decision. This is a good decision. Do what you know is right. Okay, they are advising you, do what you know is right. Stand up for your beliefs. Say yes, definitely. Now I am uh, no, I know that your parents are not with you. That's why you are cutting them from your life. There you have the sword in your hand, and you are cutting them because they are not with you, they are not in love with you. And I think the angels are with you. They are telling you what is good for you and what is not good for you. But you are doing something that is good. Okay, not, you are not doing something bad, you are doing something good. Okay. And with 5 of wands, and with this, you are fighting for your rights, you are fighting for your love, you are fighting for your happiness. Okay. I think you are fighting with your parents, and they are leaving you at this situation. They are not with you, and you are fighting with them to have your right, to have your love. Okay. Knight of Earth, loyal, dedicated, honorable, kind. Okay, this person is very loyal towards you. They are in love with you. They are dedicated person, they are honorable person, kind. Time to buckle down and get things done. This is the time to do it. This is the right time. Don't afraid of anything. Don't afraid of your parents, don't afraid of their parents, don't afraid of anything. This person is good for you. Or I think that your in-laws are also good for you. They love you, they can care for you. Okay. Okay. Honor your commitments. Which commitment you had made in this cards, in this at that day, wedding day. Honor that commitments. Guardian angel, yes, this person is for you, a guardian angel. They will lead you towards happiness. And I think you have done a lot of work to have that person. You have to conquer or step on a mountain, cover the mountain to come towards them. Now you are happy with them. You are having a happy home life, beautiful home life. I think so. Yes, definitely. 10 of Swords. With that person, you are going to finish your tension, your burden, your bad time. Your bad time is dying with that person. They love you a lot, so you can forget what was happened to you in the past. Okay. Then with chemistry, I think definitely you both have chemistry with each other. There is a strong magnetic attraction here. Yes, strong magnetic attraction. I can see here that you have the strong magnetic connection, and you both are making something new with each other. You both are doing it, not one person. With one hand, this one hand is yours hand, and the other hand is your person's hand, or maybe this is vice versa, and this is your hand and this is their hand. I mean that you both are going to do something. You both are making maybe your child, or a love that is out of this world. Okay. Yes. And with this, make the effort towards each other. Great love is worth taking the step you are guided to take. Okay. The great love, you are going to have a great love with each other. Okay. With this sea beacon fairy guidance, but where will it leads you? Okay, something is there. I want to clarify that card. This person is very practical and professional. generous and what else? And responsible. This person is responsible towards you. They are thinking that they are responsible towards you, and this thing is hiding over here. They are not telling you that they how much they love you. So this is the hiding thing in this situation. And maybe they are doing things, maybe they are going to say sorry to your parents, and they want you both, your parents and you, to be with each other, and they want to end this quarrel between you and your parents, I think so. Okay, wait card. Okay, I think this wait card is here because I think that your parents are not agree with you to marry that person. They are not happy with you, and they are restricting you, and with this, and you are not happy at that moment, that because you don't have this person in your life. Like, but whenever you are going to marry that person, you are taking your step there towards that person. You are fighting with your parents to have that person, and when you are doing that, you will surely have that person in your life, and that person is good for you. Okay, this is all of I have for you for my pile number 1, for my pile number 2. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then go and watch my previous videos. And if you want to see my new videos, you have to subscribe and press the bell icon for my channel, and you surely get some help from there. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes, bye. I'm going to choose the pile number 3. Those who choose the pile number 3 with this golden Month of India, your first card is your wedding day is very it's very beautiful day. It's very loving day. You know that you have some responsibilities towards others. You are taking care of others, and you are making the plan to make them happy. Your heart is full with their love, the desire to make them happy, and it is overflowing and pure. And I think they are also taking care of you. Your mother-in-law is taking care of you like a baby, or you are going to have a baby with as soon as you go over there, you have marriage with them, you are going to have a baby with them. And other your all in-laws, they are happy with you, they are listening to you, they are looking towards you, they know that you are a good person, and they are with you. And 7 of Wands, you don't have to defend yourself. They are already with you, they are already happy with you, they are taking care of you. And whenever you have any problem, they are with you, standing with you. Okay, 3 of Water. Okay, happy time, party, wedding time. Yes, your wedding day is awesome, very beautiful, very happy, enjoyable time at that moment. Maybe some persons are dancing at that time, and you are enjoying that time. It's a celebration, a wedding, graduation, or birth announcement. The need to have more fun. Yes, birth announcement once again. There I also tell you that this is the happy time. 2 3s are here. 3, planning something. Okay, yes. Lavish abundance, give birth to your dreams, nurture yourself and others. Okay, you are here to nurture them and also yourself. And your luckiest day of your life, this day of your wedding is the luckiest day of your life. You are going to have new relationships, new persons in your life, new love. Okay, Queen of Water, Queen of Cups, tender-hearted, empathetic, patient, loving. I think your mother-in-law or maybe sister-in-law, some lady over there is very kind, very loving, very caring, and or maybe this is you also. And they when you are with them, they are caring for you, they are looking after you, they are making your life more happy than you ever. Okay. And this person is very, very, very good person, very, very loving person, patience person. Okay. They are good persons for those who love them, or those they love them. uh, but if someone is making their loved ones, or harming their loved ones, doing something bad to them or you, they are the killer whales. They are like the killer whales. They have a lot of love, a lot of emotions towards you. And uh, maybe this is your life partner, or maybe this is your some lady over there. Okay. Relationships develop to a new level. Trust your intuition, care for yourself and others, definitely. Okay. Now with this hangman, I think you are looking at the perspective at the opposite direction. You don't know anything, or you are stuck over something. I want to clarify that card. I think something is happening over here because of this what can I say, hangman card. I think you or someone is not happy with this relationship, with this because this 10 of pentacles is upside down. That means there is some trouble over there with your love life, your wedding life. And I think that someone does not want to have this relationship. Maybe this is you or someone else, and there is no justice about that. That person is not want to have this relationship. Maybe this is you. If you have a child with someone else, then surely you don't want, you have, this is your second marriage, then you don't want to marry that person because of your child. And maybe that person is not happy with their situation to having you. With this six of earth, now yes, definitely there is no balance in this relationship. I mean, one person is giving and giving and giving, and the other is not doing anything for that person. And yes, that's what I am seeing over here. Or maybe because of your marriage, your parents are in some kind of debt, loan. They are taking some loan, and that is the burden for them, something like that. And it is clarified by four of pentacles, that is upside down. With this card upside down, I think that definitely your parents or you have some loan, and that's why you are stressing at that time, at that day, because of that loan. And maybe someone is not happy with the relationship, they have to leave that relationship. That is also the situation over here. And with this passion, but there is a passion in this relationship, forgiving and learning. Okay, as soon as you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moment. Okay. Forgive others. If you have to forgive that person, these persons in your loss, then you also have to forgive them and learn they love you, they love you a lot. Okay. Unrequired love. Okay, there is not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going on. I think some any person at their in their home, maybe their your life partner, or maybe you, Also, somebody have no love for others. They have no desire to come here. Reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life. Maybe they had done something bad to you in your past. Now you are not happy with them. Voodoo in blue. Back off. Okay, this card is telling you that back off. This is not the good time to come to have some relationship with each other, with others. Ace of Pentacles. There is no stability over here, and with this Knight of Swords upside down, there is no attraction towards you, or you are not attracted toward that person. They are coming towards you. They are going to have you. They are very happy with this situation, or maybe you are not attracted toward them, or your person is not attracted toward you. That's what I have here for you. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then go and watch my previous videos. If you want to see my new videos, you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so you can get my all videos at the time, with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. We will see each other again.